Hi everyone! So I just came from Louis Vuitton store and I'm gonna unbox this with you guys. So I'm so happy to have this. Actually, when this first came out, I tried it at the store and then just totally forgotten about it. And then recently, this just like went into my thoughts and I've been thinking for this. So I went again and see it and I brought it home. So let's see what this is. This is actually considered as a classic already, together with a Speedy and Neverfull. And here it is. Oh, I'm so happy. So for those who have this, let me know, guys. How do you love this purse? And it is a Neo Noe. I got this in black. And here's the strap that goes with it. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. So I can see why a lot of people love this purse. The reason why it took me a while to get this purse is because of the shape, because it's kind of bulky, but I observed that the canvas is actually soft, like it's squishy and soft. So I'm not sure if the one that I tried years before is like hard, because I don't remember it as this squishy and soft. And the one that excites me the most in getting this purse is I thought about this strap from my New Wave purse in black catskin. So I tried this at the store by putting it in here like so. And actually my SA was so amused that when we put it in, or when we put it on, she's the first one who tried it. Like, she actually put it at the crook of her arm and walked around with it and tried it with a strap. So she's the first one who was able to try it than me, because I think she's more excited to see it, that this can actually work. So I'm planning to buy a short handle strap from Etsy, or they say Mauto has one as well. But what do you guys think? Do you think it will work like this? I'm also thinking of turning it upside down, so it would look like this without the printed one showing. So let me know what do you think, if this will work or not, or if you like the plain ones or the printed ones showing. But it's just fun to have, like it's just pretty on. So, well, thank you so much for sharing this happy day for me, and I'm so glad to have this Neo Vivienne, what am I thinking? Neo Noe in my Louis Vuitton collection. Well, all of you may have a beautiful day and take care, and thank you for watching once again. Bye!